Hi, everybody. This is Daisha. I'm coming to you with another Real Girl review. Today, I am going to be reviewing as well as demonstrating the Mielle Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Gel. And here it is right here. What can I say about this product? I've used a lot of different edge controls. A lot of the edge controls that work for me do not work for my daughters or vice versa. They like a variety of different stuff that I can't use because, as you can see, I got a lot of grays going on right there. You know, very curly, and plus I'm locked up. So I am getting my hair twisted tomorrow by my hairstylist, and I just wanted to show you all before, I washed my hair and did all of that to get my hair done, exactly how this edge control works on my hair. I love it, and I will be demonstrating it for you all so you can, see for yourself. So usually what I do is I take the edge brush that we have and I just, you know, scrape it in the jar. And then I just brush it on my edges. This is weird for me. I have never done a video doing my hair, so okay. So I'm not used to doing my hair on camera, so this is some new stuff for me. Please excuse me. So I have the mirror right here to help me. I had to stop just to get the mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. But as you can see, I just used the brush, dip it in my Mielle, and I just rub it in. Use the comb a little bit and the brush. And then I just dip as needed. I got a lot of new growth. That's why I am doing this now before I go get my hair done, because she's about to snatch all of this up. And sometimes I use edge control, sometimes I don't. It doesn't matter to me. It does make me look a little bit brighter so I don't look as rough when I do my edges, but for real, it just depends on the day. I might do it, I might not. If I have somewhere to go and my edges or my hair is not done, then yeah, maybe I might. But yeah, I'm going to just use the comb and go over that. I have one more section. It's over here. So this is usually what I do before I put on my head wrap. And I didn't really use a lot for real. I just put a little bit on the teeth of the brush. Let me go back to the mirror. Alright, so I'm just going to ponytail my hair. I can rub it a little bit, but I really don't want to rub it because, you know, I don't really care about the rub test. I just want something that's going to last all day and not leave a residue on my hair where I have to wash it more frequently. And with this, I have used this probably like 8 times. And as you can see, my hair before I started was in its natural state without that yucky residue, which is what I like because I have locks and I don't want something that's going to leave buildup around this part, you know. I just don't like that. So this is how I do it. Well, this is how I've been rocking my hair the past couple of days. Do I want to do it like that? No, I don't want to do it like that. See, the wrap depends on how you feel. And it also depends on how you want to look for the day. So this is my favorite, easiest way to wrap. Bam. So I already touched on what I like about this. Basically, it doesn't leave a residue. It lasts all day. Like I can wear my hair like this all day and it won't mess up. It might curl up in a couple of places, but to me, that's not that bad. Yeah, I really like this edge control. This is my favorite right now. Mielle, it's my favorite. And I'm just going to read the ingredients. Water, it's a water base. It has Cediareth 25, PEG 7, glycerol, cocoate, aloe, barbadensis leaf juice, honey, lavender, rice, wax, olive tube, PEG 40, hydrogenated castor oil, zingiber officinal, which is ginger root, hydrolyzed wheat protein, caprylyl glycol, phenoxyethanol, potassium sorbate, essential oil blend. And it has tons of certified organic ingredients because Mielle is an organic brand. They do have a lot of organic stuff in it. And also no parabens, no sulfates, no paraffins, no mineral oil, no synthetic color, no synthetic fragrance, no DEA, no animal testing. So it says on here, our flexible hold gel is the perfect solution for those concerned with taming resistant edges and flyaway hairs. Made with certified organic honey, ginger, aloe vera, and lavender flower wax. Our formula is excellent for natural, relaxed, and chemically treated hair. It adds the right amount of hold while nourishing the hair and scalp. So there you have it, people. Here's another Real Girl review. I love it. I know our reviews, most of them so far, have been that we love the product, but it just so happens that we love the product. So we do have this in store. So if you want to come by, you can pick up the Mielle Edge Control. I believe it's $12 and some change. We also have edge brushes, and we have earrings like mine that you see. And yeah, so just stop in, say hello. Even if you want to come back at another time, we'll be here until 7 this evening. Thank you. Have a good day. And come see us at Regal Beauty, 973 East Main Street.